Yeah, well, and then me and Kyle and you stayed down, so they never thought that you were.
Hey Airsofters, and once again, welcome back to Twin Cities Airsoft. This is it, the giant airsoft game at Twin Cities Airsoft, an event that has become a staple of both the Wisconsin and Minnesota airsoft communities. Hundreds of players come to battle each other in one big game of conquest in this 80-acre field for 2 4-hour halves for ultimate glory. In this video, you will be seeing one of the major battles throughout the day. I'm on the blue team, and our current mission is to invade into a red team's territory and take over Mayhem. This is a mission that's going to require all hands to be on deck, as we have a limited amount of time to accomplish it. I will be using my upgraded Action Army AAP01 pistol. At first glance, it might not seem like much for a game of this size, but longtime viewers of the channel know that this pistol is an absolute powerhouse. I've also squatted up with my friends Boxman, Ty, Sparrow, and Monarch. Longtime viewers also know that we crows can be a deciding factor in whatever games we play in. So without further delay, let's finish the mission. Watch out!
Left, along the net! Understood!
Oh, I see him.
Good!
Got him.
Come on!
Kick their f***ing asses!
My camera was working. One down. Your turn. Next guy into the barrel. Next fella into the barrel.
Find the red truck!
Red truck!
I gotta get back. And I gotta reload.
I wish my camera was working right now. I have no idea. At least you got some angles on that. That is dank, dude.
Yeah. Whoa.
Usually I get these full one, no problem.
Carter, revive Ty!
You guys seem trustworthy. I'm gonna leave my precious here.
Thanks, boss.
Gotta find a better system, but it works for now.
Appreciate you. I figured you'd come back for me, Carter.
Thanks, guys.
You're like late. I was like, let me in.
They're on that red truck, aren't they?
Monarch needs revive.
What?
Monarch needs revive. Andrew. Stand cover, Carter! Stand cover, Carter!
Get down low, get down low. Get down low and call him.
I'm coming, brother. Yeah. When I'm back in, I'm just gonna like hop over. This dude's looking right fucking at me. Meow. Thank you.
Got him. Oh yeah. He's dead.
Yeah, that's a dead guy.
Yep.
Box, are you hit?
Yeah.
You want a medic?
No.
Okay. Why wouldn't he want a medic? I don't know. I mean, it's unlimited medics. Oh.
To our right, to our right! Hey, Tank, there's guys right! Guys right!
Right behind you, Sam.
We got covered from our truck for now, but.
Up in mayhem, up in mayhem.
Yep.
This truck's moving here, so be careful.
Anybody up there still, Sam?
I see one behind the old net. The old net at mayhem. Don't get too close to the tank.
Hey, next time you see that laying on the ground, that's back.
Ground level with the shield!
Patrick, stop!
Carter, get back here. We need him. We need you.
I'm coming back!
Hey, for electric tank copy.
That wasn't as graceful as a landing as I hoped, but it worked.
Thank you.
Oh,
3, 2, 1.
we got a medic. Stay here. Stay here. We got a medic.
If they asked, I dragged you over here.
Yeah, there's a little building down there.
We only have 15 minutes to take green. It's double points.
Yeah, where? Right here. You, sir, are reborn.
Put far 2 o'clock deep.
You, sir, are reborn.
We got more people far 2 o'clock deep.
Yep.
You guys pushing, Carson?
Sorry. Hey, I hear ya, shut up.
It's a helicopter. That's a helicopter.
I waited for the dude to die before I called you up. My knees are fucking falling asleep.
That's ricochets. Yep.
Yeah, it has a lot of them.
All right, so your last life. Once you get shot again, you gotta take the tape off and go back to spawn.
Okay.
Same thing for you. It's your last life.
Yep.
I'm coming! Oh, really get here, buddy.
Let's go! Put down some fire! You're not moving, you're firing!
Come in! You're good.
Up top! Up top!
I'm a medic, I'm dragging, let's go!
I'm dead.
Oh, okay. What?
get shot in the back?
Yeah.
Let's move it right. Blue now has green. Get to that tower if you can, guys. You guys have a medic back there? Medic?
All right. There's a mesh right up there. Can I drag you there?
Oh, well, I can just respawn there then.
Okay.
I did not know there was a mash.
Yeah, it's right up there.
Okay. It was a tough battle, but we still accomplished the mission. Sparrow certainly put in some work for this mission being our medic. Props to him because, wow, he did an amazing job. This mission was only a small part of the entire event, but the reward was absolutely worth it for the blue team. And with that, this is the end of Season 3, and what a year it has been. Not only that, we're only getting started. I've got big plans for Season 4. I won't spoil them here, but all I'm gonna say is expect a lot more from this channel going forward. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next season.
I thought I heard 8,000.
148,000